Greetings, friends. Welcome to the den with me, J-Mac, the Red Island Shaver. So glad to have you all along for this shave video. And I have been waiting. I've been waiting for this one for a long time. That's right. I have the Karve Overlander here in the den. I can't wait to use it. So we're going to get right into it, guys. I'm going to try and make this video as expedient as possible. Now, if you guys just bear in mind, it may go a little bit longer than usual. That being said, there will be chapters down below, so you can pardon the shaky cam there. You can skip ahead to whichever part of the video tickles your fancy. You're here for some of the lathering, I got you. You're here for the unboxing, I got you there too. You're here for the money pass. Click it down in the chapters below. All right, going to start off with the cube. Oh, how I do love the cube. Good stuff. Good stuff. Also, resting the cube on this, I should point it out every once in a blue moon as I drop it. Resting this on this cube resting place made by Matthew Lawrence. Matthew Lawrence is going to come up again in this video as well later on. So remember that name. Remember that name. Yeah, very happy, guys. Very happy. I can't believe I have an Overlander. Not only do I have an Overlander, as cool as it is buying a new razor right from the manufacturer, which is always awesome, and I highly recommend that when you can. This razor's had a bit of a journey before it got to me, which is cool as well. As you look at my Canadian Mafia shirt. Yeah, baby. Yeah, Canadian Mafia. You guys just enjoy that for a minute while I get this soap off my hands and see if I can't get my phone pointed back where it's supposed to be pointed. God, I'm telling you, the production quality on this channel is off the charts. Good thing I'm wearing pants too, or else you guys might have seen something there that you did not want to see there. Hopefully that stays where it's supposed to. All right, so brush load. We're going to get into the brush load and the soap. Brush is going to be my Smiles for Miles Emerald Crown, a custom brush I got done by Smiles. Absolutely love this. And in honor of who gave me this beautiful offering from Karve, going with Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements, CAD, also known as Cease and Desist. One of my all-time favorite barbershop scents right here in the den. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. I'll throw some scent notes up on the screen because I kind of forget what's in here. There's quite a bit of stuff going on. It's just a great barbershop. It's powdery. It's sweet. It's oh so good. So we're going to get in here and we are going to get this V69 motorboat knot all loaded up. This is such a nice knot. It's just like a big fluffy pillow on the face, but it performs. That's the thing about high quality knots like this. You can go and source a nice big old floppy knot somewhere. It's nice and soft on the face. I'll pick that up, but that's just it. It's a big soft floppy knot, and it gets nowhere. It doesn't really lather. Doesn't do a good job. But this knot is nice and soft on the face, but it performs oh so well. It does what it's supposed to do, which is make a lather. So not only is it soft and plush, but it works. And there is a fine line between that. It has just enough backbone to do what it needs to do. But anyway, I'm going to cut this while I make this face lather and just revel in this scent. And I'm going to post up the unboxing video. Once again, there's chapters. If you don't want to watch the unboxing video, just hit the next scoosh in the chapter and you can fast forward to the next part of the video. So enjoy the unboxing. Greetings, friends. Welcome to the kitchen. Me, J-Mac, the Red Island Shaver, and I have a package here. I can't wait to get into it. It's already opened. I don't know. I'm beside myself today, enjoying some Macca's coffee, which by virtue is Tim's. This is Tim Hortons Old Brew, which is I actually really, really good. And the new Tim Hortons coffee is, well, it's kind of meh. It's not that great. All right, so yes, I got this nice box. I got this nice box from my brother down there in South Canada in Minnesota. That's right, Nate Dog. I got a Patreon giveaway winner prize. And very, very, very excited. We're going to see what's in here. We got some blades. I know Nate sent a couple extra things. I know what's in here. Some of you guys know what's in here. I'm going to make you wait right to the very end. What do we got here? Oh, we got strangelets. Nice. I already have some strangelets, but that's okay. I will add them to the collection because then I can give out some of my own. Give out some of my own strangelets. And what else do we have in here? Oh, I believe these are from Flower City. Some fragrance samplers. I have a couple of these as well. One of them doesn't spray though, so that's good. That's very good. I'm guessing that's what these are. Yeah, Flower City. Orchard Vetiver. That's very, very nice. And the Orange Blossom. I got something else in here. Ah, Nate, you are a scholar and a gentleman sending on some extra stuff. What do we got here? NFBA. I'll have to do some sleuthing and figure out what that is, because my brain is not working right now. My brain is cluttered. I'm so excited. So anyway, yes, Patreon. If you guys didn't know, Nate and Mel have a Patreon, and I was lucky enough to win a razor. I'm going to go more into how I won this razor on the video, on the shave video, because we're going to take this to the den after I do this quick little unboxing, and we're going to do a shave video. I'm just going to put the two together. All right, I think that's everything. I will double check that again before I recycle the box, but are you guys ready for this? Are you ready for this? Are you ready? I know I'm ready. Oh, yes. Oh, I have in my hands a Karve Overlander. A Karve Overlander. Oh, good. A new sticker, too. All the packaging is in here. That's incredible. That's really good. I need a new Karve sticker because I have one on the back of my phone case and it's getting beat up. Of course, this isn't addressed to me because I did not order it. But, oh, man, here it is. Oh my God, here it is. There it is. It's in my hands. It's a Karve Overlander. I can't. Oh, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I have Karve Overlander. Wow. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Oh, I love the feel of a nice heavy brass razor. All right, so that's gonna do it for the unboxing. We're going to take this to the den, and we are going to throw a blade in this, and we're going to shave. So I will see you guys upstairs in the den. Okay, guys, and we are back. And yes, here it is, the Karve Overlander. Nicely polished, too. Very, 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 very cool. Going to get a quick look at it here as I pull it apart. I've already removed the washer and put that back in the packaging. I do not use the washer on these razors. It is designed for transport only, not to be used when shaving. You don't want to put any extra pressure on the threads. The manufacturer recommends that you do not use the washer because you could impart pressure on the threads. So I do what the manufacturer says. Here's a look at the two pieces. The new design for the Overlander. It has the slots and the corresponding female slots for the male protrusions instead of the posts that were on the Christopher Bradley, which still did the job very, very nicely. Perfect blade clamping on the Christopher Bradley as well. It's a great razor. We are unwrapping a brand new People's Blade. Yes, a Wizamet. You guys know me. You know I was going to use a Wizamet for my first shave. I know people are saying this razor rocks with feathers, and I don't doubt that. I will also try a feather in this at some point, but the first shave is going to be with a Wizamet. So let's get this together. Blade tabs are covered, which I'm not used to. Most of my razors, the blade tabs are exposed. I don't mind exposed blade tabs. And let's screw this together, and there's just that quality Karve threading. Snugged it up, and there we go. We are loaded, ready to go. So here we go. First swipes with the Karve Overlander People's Blade. Now let's give this a jiggle, shall we? Okay. This is supposed to be very intuitive. Is there a... Did I put a blade in this? Well, I did put a blade in this. Holy shit. Okay then. Wow. Alright, that's incredibly smooth right off the bat. I know I am a Karve fanboy. I will not hide that fact. Okay, but that is something else. That, okay, that's really good. That's really good. Lives up to its name. People say that this shaves like, feels like a B plate on the face with D plate efficiency. So far, that removes some hair. Felt incredibly smooth. Stats on this razor are it's weighing in at 110 grams with the 3.5 inch handle. Razor stands 3.95 inches tall, I think, with the head and everything. We have a blade gap of 0.74. I think 0.74 millimeters. I should know it's 0.74 or 0.73 with a 0.07 millimeter positive blade exposure. So B-plate blade exposure with a little bit of positive, or B-plate blade gap with a bit of positive blade exposure, which the traditional B-plate does not have. And this is, yeah, this is freaking smooth. All right, so let's get on the story of how I got this. So Matthew Lawrence owned this. He's the one that polished it. He sent it to Nate to try out. Nate enjoyed it, but I don't think he enjoyed it enough that he wanted to keep it. So he offered to buy it for the Patreon giveaway. And I was wanting it bad. I was wanting to win this razor. You guys know I've been wanting an Overlander. Just stuff happened in life. Couldn't afford one at the moment. So anyway, they did the Patreon giveaway. The first name that was called had already posted that if they won, they wanted a respin. Matt pointed that out. So Nate went and checked. Sure enough, it was confirmed. So Nate spun again. The name that came up on the second spin was actually Matt. It's Matt Fox. If you guys don't know who Matt Fox is, you see him in the groups. Awesome guy. Loves his CAD. That's why I'm using CAD for the first shave. For this is in honor of Matt. So unbeknownst to me, but they had it all planned out. Matt had already reached out to Nate before the show even went live, saying if he won the Overlander, that Nate was to send it to me. So thank you so much, Matt. I really, really appreciate that. That was incredibly awesome, man. Yeah, I'm loving this. I'm really loving this. Man, this brush, this soap, which I so love the smell of CAD. Matt actually uses it every Saturday. He calls Saturday Catterday, which is cool. And yeah, just all this is coming together. And I did shave yesterday. I have been shaving every other day lately, just to give the face a rest, because I have been getting a bit of irritation on my daily shaves. So this is a good test for the Overlander. See how it does. It's leaving just a little bit of stubble right here. There we go. Just had to go actually across the grain. I couldn't really sneak up on it. But this is shaving mildly enough that I can go straight across the grain. I can't do that with a whole lot of razors. A Fat Boy on a low setting, and my Karve B plate. Sometimes the C plate, if I haven't shaved for a couple days, I can go straight across the grain. This I can go straight across the grain. I do like the 4-inch handles on my Karve, so I'm probably going to upgrade to a 4-inch handle on this at some point, I'm sure. And then in the spirit of giving and giveaway, I'll probably give away this polished handle or such. We'll see what happens down the road. What I might do, if and when it comes out, maybe a stainless 4-inch handle with this polished head. I think that would look cool. That would look badass. All right, guys. Well, that was the shave. Yeah, that was well worth the wait. That was everything. That was everything I've been wanting. So I'm gonna quickly rinse out this brush. I'm gonna get some aftershave on my face. I'm gonna let you guys go on with your day, and I'm gonna edit this all together and put it up on the tubes. And yeah, but thank you so much for staying with me for the video, tuning in. I do appreciate it. Man, what a shave. Apologize to Kirk as well, Cutthroat Journey. Hey Kirk, I was gonna do a feather shave today, but well, this showed up in the mail, so I'm sure you understand. I'll get you on the weekend. I'll do a feather shave on the weekend for you. Get the old camisori up, come on. Oh man, that was nice. Oh, setting me up nice for the Canadian Mafia Show tonight, I tell you what. And yeah, remember, Canadian Mafia Show tonight. Got a great show planned. Got some awesome giveaways, including some fragrances. So if you guys are into fragrances and such, you might want to watch the show tonight. Just give me a second here. Stuff that is not cooperating. There, we are back. All right, aftershave. It is the Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements aftershave and cologne. Oh, this stuff is so good. This stuff is so good. My wife will still be smelling this wafting off me when she gets home from work tonight. I got a frag picked out that I think is going to pair well with this. So, yeah. Oh, God, that's so good. What's the good stuff? I love it. Whew, feel the burn. I don't use alcohol shaves that often, though. Whew, definitely feel that. Get a little bit more. I didn't quite get enough. There we go. There's the burn. Well, yeah, that's going to dry down into a nice super duper BBS. All right, guys. Well, that will do it for me. That is the shave. Thank you so much for tuning in. Do appreciate it. Hey, if you're new to the channel and you haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit that big red button. We're growing this amazing community, growing the channel, and everything is all copacetic. So that'll do it for me. Until next time, my friends, be safe, be kind to one another. Have a great day, Dean Bear Shave. We'll see you tonight in the Mafia Show. Peace.